Welcome to EQTV Africa, where we teach you how to make money online, master YouTube, and live the digital freedom lifestyle. Today, we'll break down Tube Mastery and Monetization, one of the most powerful systems for turning YouTube into a full-time income stream in 2025. Whether you're in Africa, Asia, or anywhere in the world, this strategy works if you follow it step by step. Tube Mastery and Monetization is an online course by Matt Pa, a YouTube entrepreneur who built multiple cash cow channels making 6 figures a year. The program teaches you how to choose profitable niches, create faceless videos, and grow your channel to monetize fast, even without showing your face. In 2025, YouTube is no longer about fancy cameras, it's about strategy. Tube Mastery helps you tap into automation, AI voiceovers, and outsourcing. You learn how to turn one idea into a business with writers, editors, and thumbnail designers working for you. Here's what Matt teaches: the 7 steps to building your YouTube empire. 1. Choose your niche. Pick a profitable niche like finance, motivation, or technology. 2. Set up your channel. Optimize titles, tags, and thumbnails for SEO. 3. Outsource content. Hire voice artists, scriptwriters, and editors. 4. Upload consistently, at least 3 videos per week. 5. Master YouTube analytics. Learn what performs best. 6. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, and digital products. 7. Scale up. Build multiple channels for passive income. Let's talk numbers. A single monetized channel can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month depending on your niche and views. Combine that with affiliate marketing, and your earnings can double. This is how ordinary people in Africa, India, and the US are building digital empires today. Here's the secret: consistency plus patience plus strategy. Most people quit after 3 videos. But those who keep uploading, learning, and optimizing win. Tube Mastery gives you the blueprint, but you must put in the effort. Ready to start your YouTube journey? Click the link in the description to learn more about Tube Mastery and Monetization. Subscribe to EQTV Africa, your #1 source for online income, financial freedom, and digital entrepreneurship.